Hey, it's Marissa. In today's video, we're going to be drawing an alien and he's going to be abducting a cow. The first step we're going to take is to draw the flying saucer. So here's our big curve for the top of the flying saucer. Now make a curve that goes all the way across and touches the other side. Now start about here and then go out and around all the way to the other side. There we go. Now I'm going to draw some circles here. We've got some lights on our saucer. Here's another circle. One more. I'm going to draw a little rectangle and then maybe a couple more lights over here. Just 3 circles. You're welcome to draw an alien inside if you want. I'm going to start with my cow at the bottom. So here's my cow. He's going to be lifted up off the ground. It's going to be a curve like this. And then we're going to go down and touch the other side. Now let's create a curve across and then 2 dots. That's going to be the nose of the cow. I'm going to draw one eye here, another eye here, and then I'm going to draw a pattern for the spots on the cow, just that curve. Now I'm going to draw the ear. It's going to go out and down. We're going to go out again and then down. Let's draw the horns. Here's one, up and down for another. In the cow's eyes, I'm going to draw a curve and then another curve. Let's color in the bottom part. So we're going to leave the 2 curves that we made white. So it looks like a little shine. There it is. Now let's create the body. Let's start about here for the body and then go down and in. I'm going to go up. That's going to be a leg. And then start going across. And then we're going to make another leg down. There we go. Now go across again. Let's make another leg. Just that little point. And then finish it off by going up towards the head. We're going to make one more leg sticking out, just that little triangle shape. You are welcome to make spots. They're just little curves. I'll put one over here, one right there, and I'll put one under the chin. Looks good. Now we have to create the beam of light. So here's our beam. It's going to start kind of here and then go out and down. We're going to start here, go out and down. Now draw a curved line that connects those 2 lines and then draw a curved line to the other side. Poor little cow. He's being taken. Let's start coloring it in. There's our cow being taken by a spaceship. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe for brand new drawings. I will see you next time. Bye.
Yeah.